Okay, gentlemen, so here is the demonstration that you've set yourself up for to help to figure out what makes acids acidic. So we're going to use phenolphthalein solution. We have rows of phenolphthalein solution here. The pink phenolphthalein is here, and we have a bunch of wells that have phenolphthalein in them down here that are clear. And as you remember, acids will turn pink phenolphthalein clear, and bases will turn clear phenolphthalein pink. And so we have a number of different ionic substances here. Hydrogen chloride, potassium chloride, hydrogen sulfate, potassium hydroxide, and sodium hydroxide. And so I'm just going to add drops of these solutions to both the pink phenolphthalein and the clear phenolphthalein, and just to get a sense of what happens. So set up in your notes to keep track of what you see in each of these cases. So we'll start with the hydrochloric acid, and I just gave it away, hydrogen chloride, HCl. One drop there turns the pink phenolphthalein clear. I can put several drops in here, nothing happens when I do it to the clear. That was HCl. Now we can use KCl. So KCl, I'll put a drop in here, couple drops here. Okay, I can actually put a little bit more. It stays clear, put a little bit more, or stays pink at the top, put a little bit more at the bottom, and it also stays clear at the bottom. Okay, so so that solution did not change either of the two. Next one is hydrogen sulfate, H2SO4. So in H2SO4, I'll do in these rows here. So I'll add one drop here. Let's see, that's turned that one clear. Add a drop here. No change. Okay. Next, we'll do potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide, I will add a drop to the pink phenolphthalein. You can actually see maybe even the pink starts to get a little pinker. And I'll add it down here to the clear phenolphthalein, and we can see it turns the clear phenolphthalein pink. Okay, so that is potassium hydroxide. And finally, we'll do it with some sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide and the pink phenolphthalein. Okay, pink actually becomes a little more intense. A couple of drops here. You can see that the sodium hydroxide turns the solution pink. Okay, so again, going from left to right, we have HCl in these two, KCl here and here, H2SO4 here and here, KOH in these two, and NaOH in these two. And again, the top row started pink, the bottom row started clear. So those are the observations to keep track of and now to try to interpret.